Hey, we're rolling in hot over here again. Got some impounds, man. That's where we're back at it. We yanked cars. I'm sure we're gonna piss off some people this morning. This RAV4 right here, it's got to be loaded. It's got expired tag. Nobody's they called the office on it, but she gave them up 30 days. She gave everybody on the property 30 days to fix their problems, and she said she's not giving anybody any more time. So we may have some action on this one. Might not. You can't never tell. I'm waiting on these cars. I got 2 or 3 cars coming through here. Waiting on them to get out of the way. Anyway, I hope everybody's doing well. The channel's going good. Towing's going good. It's just what we do, man. We pull up and yank cars. So y'all buckle up. No, man. This guy in the truck, I don't know what his deal is, but he definitely seems like he don't care how long it takes me to get out of here.
I'm here.
Well,
Cool.
Man, you know how the law works, bro? The law works, man. I could have got kicked in the face. See, it's hooked, bro.
Yeah. I'll help you out.
Nah, man, that's not how it works, though.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I lived here for 4 years.
She gave y'all 30 days, man.
I went back in the other day, we can go talk to her, and she didn't have the slips.
Well, she ain't giving no more slips out. That's the thing. This is it right here.
I paid $1,300 a month plus utilities.
Yeah.
I was just up there 2 weeks ago. She was out of slips. I know you're doing a job, madam.
Yeah.
John, the maintenance guy, just called me.
Okay.
He said you were out here.
Who?
Maintenance guy, John. He said that's why I came up. He said, hey, you guys.
Come on, the guy in the truck over here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, but he ain't got it. You know, it don't matter. Hey, the maintenance guy's not supposed to call you and warn you after the manager told me to come tow the cars.
Listen.
I mean, I understand he called you and warned you, but I just left the office and she told me to tow everything on the list and she gave y'all 30 days to comply. Now, hey, I'm not trying to be a jerk.
Let me just call her.
You can call her if you want to.
Well, no.
Hey, let me shut this down. I'll wait on you.
It's annoying because a bunch of people moved here. I've been here for 4 years.
I understand, man.
And
I understand. You understand where I'm at, though.
I get your
I'm supposed to let you off because the maintenance guy called you.
No.
But she told me to come tow the cars. That's what I'm here to do.
Yeah.
I'm fixing to tow that one. There's another one in the corner down there. She got a bunch of cars she wants done. She was very lenient about the timing.
I know.
And she gave everybody extensions. If they didn't honor the extension and get the problem fixed, she's towing them.
I'm calling because I was just up there.
Yeah.
And I know you're doing that car over there. If you tow it, or whatever.
It's fixed. That one's fixed, man. It's got a new tag on it.
White Corolla?
It's got this one here, the sticker on it, is fixed.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they put a tag on it.
Okay. Hold on, I just called the Milwaukee office. My bad, I'm right here. Harbor Point Apartments. Call. Okay. I'll put on speaker.
This call may be recorded for quality and training purposes.
Hey, is or there? I think I spoke with I think I spoke with Simon about the what is it,
the sticker.
the parking stickers for the
Yeah. And he's on the hook. I mean, that's just what it is, man. You want to pay it out, it's $100 to pay it out.
Yeah, I got the guys got me a car.
The chain was on the car before he came out. So, hey, and I'm not trying to be. Listen, I'm not trying to be harsh on you or anything like that. This is what I do. I hook cars. I risk getting shot. I've had guns. I've been doing it for 10 years. Yeah. I risk getting kicked in the face hooking cars. If I've been down to hook a car, I got to get paid. Hey. That's just how it is. Well, and I understand your situation with her and him. I understand you friends with him and everybody's friends. I understand all that. But she told me to tow the cars on every car on the list. Tow it, get them out of here.
The wrong way. She told you the wrong way. That's all I'm saying.
I understand the situation, but
so that's why we're clearing this up.
Yeah,
it's all
I'm gonna have to get paid $100, man, to drop the car. I mean, it's hooked. Listen, the way the law in Georgia, when you hook a car, it's hooked. That's just it.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, okay, so on the line right now. She doesn't deal with the towing, but she is on the line.
Who? No. Who called the towing guy and had him come down here to tow my car? Because he's got it clipped to my car, and we need to take care of this like now.
Okay, well I can't do really anything right now because on the line she's actually on 2 phone calls right now. So if you want to come up to the office, that's fine. But I can't do anything right now.
I need someone to tell this guy not to tow my car. That's that. Do you understand?
Yeah, no, I understand. I'm just telling you, I can't give him. I can't do that, and she can't say anything right now.
Can you just take her the phone? She's like 15 feet away from you.
I can't. The phone has a cord in it.
The cord stretches 7 feet, and when you stretch your arms out, that's another 6 feet. That's what, 15 feet? I got you. Give me 6 minutes. All right. 1 second, man. Hold on, man. Yeah, she's giving me trouble. What are we gonna do with
it's
this?
$100 to pay it out, man. That's the hook. That's the hook price. That's the price to pay it out. And I understand your situation, man.
It's coronavirus,
hey,
man. It's coronavirus.
I know it is, man. Hey, listen, I had corona in November. My whole family had it.
Yeah, corona, whatever. People get sick, people die. I've had actually family members that have been in the hospital. It doesn't matter. The virus aside, man, we got 30 million people unemployed.
And, hey, listen, it's not just you.
I know.
It's everybody. Listen, everybody that's on the list.
Yeah.
If I tow these next 2 cars, hey, I'm good. I think he's going to pay it out. Thank you. I got it.
Is that?
Yeah, thank you.
No, cancel it.
Okay, thank you.
Cancel it.
She said you need to get it off the property.
I'll get it off the property.
But you got to pay it out. It's hooked right now.
Tell
dude.
her to pay it. She's the one who did this. That's why she's calling you.
Okay. Hey, thank you.
Oh, you are buddy now.
Okay, thank you. It's $100 you want to pay it out, dude.
How much is it whenever I get it out if I don't pay it out?
It's 175 over there.
It's a real cool mark. Listen. Hey.
Listen, this is towing, man. This is what I do, man. I'm not trying to be mean to you, bro.
You're better professional.
Listen, hey, I've been polite with you, bro.
I've been trying to be polite to you the whole time. Dude, I got no money, man. Turn the camera on. I don't care.
Hey, the camera's simply for
your protection, my protection,
listen,
whatever, recording.
For your situation, I'm sorry you got towed. If you don't have any money, I'm sorry your situation, dude. This is what I do.
Squeezing blood out of a rock. You know the situation is. I don't care if it's recorded or not.
I understand, dude. I understand, man. Hey, listen. And on a serious note, dude. Hey, we just done all over the place. Sandy Springs code enforcement's really strict. Hey, they can write her a citation for $1,000, dude.
Hey, you go back.
I'll probably take Pitts Road.
Which one?
Pitts Road.
Yeah.
You take a left, go past motor cars, and hang a right and go up Spalding. Oh yeah. Hey, that's Mr. Greg right there. He's one of our other employees, one of my co-workers. Got him a couple of impounds too. Anyway, we impounded 5 cars off this property. That's not too bad. I did release one, and we got we got some more. We didn't do too bad, but anyway, we're gonna go here in this office and we're gonna sign these 2 out, and then we're gonna roll to the yard. Of course, this manager's asked me to sticker a couple of trailers that were not tagged before for not parking. She don't like how they're parked, so I got some stickers I'm fixing to put on these trailers. You can't just take over. People think they can just take over a parking area or take over an apartment complex. Like this guy here, he's a little bit over the top. Park like this. You can't just park any which way you want. That ain't how it works in real life. People don't allow this stuff. That's what you call having a serious entitlement mentality. Anyway, we're gonna kick it out of here. Go to the yard.